This is how I've been able to make over 500 US dollars on Binance without having to trade any crypto assets. So let me show you how I've been able to do it in this video so that you can also do it yourself, right? So the first thing that you have to do, obviously you need to have a Binance account. And if you don't have Binance accounts, I'll leave a link in the video description for you to use to create one. Good. So you have to come to this part, that is your profile. Once you are here, the next thing that you're going to do, just come down to more series, tap on it, and you see drop down menu right here. Okay, so you can just scroll down and get to where you see N. Okay, the main topic here is N, or you can just tap N directly and to bring you over here. Now this method that we're going to use, it does not involve much risk. The word is much risk. It does not involve much risk. So if you want to ask, does it involve risk? Yes, it involves risk. But is the risk so high? Absolutely not. It is not high. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to tap on N. All right. Once you tap on N, you can see what we have over here. We have low risk, high yield. High yield simply means it's high yield, and at the same time, the risk level is high. The risk tolerance is very high over here. Okay, so you can come to it. Okay, this is it. High yield products involve higher risk. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, but I want us to be on a low risk option. Okay, so first off, like I said earlier, you need to have a Binance account, and once you have the Binance account, let me also state something over here for transparency's sake. Okay, so that you don't get confused. You need to deposit an amount of money into your Binance account to start using this. Okay, the amount of money that you are depositing, it's not that you are going to be on a Binance account every day to be trading it or be monitoring it up and down. No, all that you're going to do is you are going to kind of invest or just put the money over there and be earning percentages on the money. Okay, so I had some crypto assets already, so that's what I used to actually make the money that you saw earlier, the 500 plus that you saw earlier. I used some money that I had in my crypto wallet. That was the money that I used to invest in this low risk asset that helped me to generate income, right? So in this case, I'm going to use BNB as an illustration or case study, right? So the percentage that you stand a chance to earn ranges from 0.43% to 3.8% that you stand a chance to earn on your assets. So we have these two options over here. The flexible one, we have the BNB vaults, and this one, which is locked or fixed, we have this one over here. And the difference between the flexible and the locked is that the flexible, you can withdraw the money at any time you want. But for the locked version, you have to wait till the lock period is over. So the lock period starts from 30 days to 120 days, meaning there are options available that you can invest or put the money over there for 30 days. And after 30 days, you can take your percentage or the interest that you've earned together with the capital. You can take it. Okay, so take note, your capital is still intact in this regard. So which one do you want us to go with? Should we go with the lock or the flexible? Right, let's start with the lock and see what is there. So you tap on this, and once you come here, you see the options available over here. For 30 days lock, you have 2.1% return. 16 days lock, 2.3, 90 days lock, and we have the 120 days lock, that's 3.8% return. Okay, so if you have money in your spot or funding wallet, okay, the source that you can take the money from is your spot or funding wallet. So once you have money over there, you can just come and input the amount that you want to invest. Currently, I don't have enough money in my spot or funding wallet. Other money, they are all in my N wallet, like I showed you earlier, right? So let's assume you want to invest 1 BNB. Okay, that's actually big though. Okay, you will earn, your estimated reward is something like this. Okay, is this, and this is in BNB, not USD. Okay, not USD. All right, but if you convert this to USD, it's going to give you a good amount of return. Okay, and currently 1 BNB is somewhere around $248. That's one BNB. So yeah, I think that is it. Once you are done, you just come here and tap on the confirm button. That's if you have money in your spot of funding wallet. Now the next question that you might probably be asking is, how do I get money into my spot of funding wallets? And that is why you need to come way back here. Still on your profile, we have what we call P2P. All right, P2P. Once you come here, you can do transfer over here. You can buy cryptocurrency assets that you want. If you want to buy USDT, I mostly buy USDT to convert it to the Binance coin, which is the BNB, before I use it to do my investment stuff on Binance. So if you come here, I highly advise you buy from someone who is verified. Okay, there are a lot of traders over here. If you're in Ghana, this is how you're going to do it. You just have to get a person that you want to buy from. Once you get a person, then you go ahead and check if the person is using MTN mobile money or Vodafone Cash, 𝗦𝗕𝗘 or whatsoever, or bank transfer. If you have that method of transaction, then you go ahead with the person. Example, this is a verified person, and the person is selling one USDT or US dollar for 12.27 rate. Okay, Ghana cedis. And the payment methods are available over here: mobile money, Vodafone Cash, and so on and so forth. So if I'm ready to buy from this person, and the person starts selling from 200 Ghana cedis to 1,492 Ghana cedis. So if you want to buy from this person, I'll just tap on the buy button over here. And once I'm here, I'll have to enter the amount I want to buy. Let's say 200 cedis. That's what I want to buy. I'll have to just tap on the buy USDT button over here, and everything is going to proceed. Okay. But right now, I'm not ready to buy anything. Okay, so that is it. Yeah, so I hope this video is been helpful. And if you need any other information, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll check it out for you. So this is a simple way you can make money online with a little investment. And there are other ways that you can equally make money on Binance without you investing anything at all. So if you are interested in that one too, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video on that one as well. Right. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.